everyone. So today, one of my friends, his name is Satyam, and he's going to talk about his most prominent book, and this name is The Art of Happiness at Work by His Holiness Dalai Lama and Howard C. Cutler.
Hi guys, this is Satyam and I'm going to give a book review on The Art of Happiness at Work. This book is written by His Holiness Dalai Lama and Howard C. Cutler. Now, it really feels like a responsibility talking about this book because this book is not just a book. This is the experience, the things you go to find in places like in amusement park and seldom in very serene places like waterfalls and things like that. Because right now this book is like that candy that you put in your mouth and let it feel there. Don't know how much time it remains there. Just remains there. You just to take away layers after layers, and you let it remain there. And even after nothing remains of that, you still feel the feeling on the tip of your tongue and savor that moment forever ever after. So let's talk about something about the book. This book, since as the title says, The Art of Happiness at Work. Now, work can be anything. You don't have to be professional working or a 2 to 4 job. Work means anything. And while we are doing work, we have many questions. Everyone has many questions. Life is so complex, so contradictory, so boring. And Dalai Lama here tries to give you a meaning, a little clarity of the complex things that are troubling our mind, everyone's life. Now, so he covers really important topics like human factor, making money, and striking a balance between boredom and challenge, job, career and calling. You can find all these answers here. Now, Dalai Lama, you must have some preconceived notions about His Holiness Dalai Lama, that he will give you some interesting thoughts on Buddhist philosophy or some higher spiritual guidance. But this is not like that. He tries to answer these questions, these complex questions, just as simple human beings, but with rational thinking. You won't find a boring lecture here. You will find life's teaching. You will find lessons that need to be inculcated to everyone. Because, as I said, this is not just a book, but the experience. There's a Hindi song that goes like this: सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूब जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए. This book literally sings that song. Please go read it. Read those words and let the magic of His Holiness Dalai Lama engulf you. And after you have read this book, you can't stop singing the song, can't stop this feeling inside my bones. It goes baby electric when I feel it on. It's really that amazing. So that's it, guys. Oh, okay. So guys, this book is really awesome. I don't have words in my vocabulary. I have gone and read Thesaurus to express my feelings, but I can't. So go, please read this book. I recommend it to anyone because all the questions tries to answer are with everyone. Everyone is facing that question mark, and no. So at last, I would like to say, go read it and recommend it to everyone because I think everyone needs to read this book. And also like, subscribe, and please share this video with everyone because everyone needs to see this. Everyone needs to understand this book is really awesome.